It's big and round and technically called an icosagon, and while the Chautauqua building in Shelbyville is impressive, it's the people who have walked through its doors and performed on its stage that make it so special. Not long ago, the building was doomed, but that's not the case anymore. It's a massive building that's drawn big names through the years.
William Howard Taft, before he was president, spoke from the stage here. At the time, political speaking was a big thing, so these people would travel around and speak at different venues. Carrie A. Nation was here, Williams Jennings Bryan was here, and then more recently we had performers like Alison Krauss.
Come in and be able to watch the shows, and your friends would be out here at the park and you could visit with them and stuff.
But time took its toll on Shelbyville's Chautauqua Auditorium, and it eventually closed.
The building was leaking and rainwater had gotten in and damaged the trusses and the columns that support the building.
Over time, the problems kept adding up and the town feared the building would fall. Now workers are bringing the building back to life.
So we've had 5 of the 20 support trusses have failed basically, so those are being replaced. That's the big project, and then putting a new roof over it and buttoning up the siding around it to keep the weather out will be the largest part of the project.
But another part of the project played out behind the scenes. It's the love and support of a small community. Park Commissioner Mark Shanks says this icon isn't going anywhere, and when renovations are finished, it will again be the center of attention in Forest Park.
We're not going to affect the structure of the roof any. It'll just be a metal roofing over the surface. It'll look similar to the roofing that was on it.
You know, the people of Shelbyville, they like our history and they want to preserve our history, and this is all part of it.
Weather and the pandemic will dictate when renovations to the Chautauqua building will be finished, but the hope is sometime next summer. When finished, Shanks says the city plans to host more concerts and weddings. He says tours will also be added into the scheduling mix.